So you're not a girl's girl.
I don't think so. Girls' girl is a thing, you know.
You don't think so?
Yeah, deep down, everybody is a bitch. Girls' school is so much worse than people think it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Everybody's catty.
They're all bitchy, no?
Yeah, everybody's bitchy. And fuck that. Half of the people over there in girls' school are always questioning their sexuality.
I didn't know this.
There are people just like... On every single class trips, you'll get to know these weird ass stories about she kissed each other, they were making out in the bathroom, and who was on who and everything.
That is a little wild. I'd
It
say,
is very wild. It is very wild. Girls are actually really wild in girls' school. People just don't understand. Like when I was there, I was just like, oh my god, I did not talk about Peaky Blinders. I am in love with Cillian Murphy. Oh my god, dude, that dude is insane. I have a saved folder in my Instagram named as Daddy. I have a very bad dating history of
Chal na,
oh my
let's
god,
go
if
into
my parents
the-
see this, I am so sorry. Started dating while I was in school.
So you started dating this boy.
Yeah,
when
and then
you were
it went
like
on.
12, 13.
Shit, dude, that is wrong.
No, you were dating a 13-year-old, which is fine.
Huh?
When you were 13, you were also with a 13-year-old boy, no? We have Shubhra Vaiti over here. Is it Vaiti?
Vaiti.
Vaiti. Oh, you're like a Maharashtrian.
Ah, Marathi.
Vaiti. Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know how to say your surname.
my God.
I thought you were like a South
Even
Indian
that's,
and it's a...
yeah, people always they think that, but
Hmm.
my PR package is what I get. It's so nice.
What does it
Shubhra
say?
Vanity. What the
Vanity.
fuck is vanity?
Vanity is like typo, na?
Yeah, but like they
Autocorrect.
write it. But they write it
it's
like that.
written.
You can't do that. And it's always like, it's the thing is I was bullied in my school because my name is like Shubhra. So as a
Oh,
child, when
as-
people were like, oh, bra. Yeah, and I'm like, dude, and I always used to correct them, like, oh, there's an H after the B.
Oh, so that was like
It's
your
a
defense.
BHRA, not
Wow,
BRA.
such a cool kid.
Yeah, I was not a cool kid.
Where have you studied?
I changed two schools. I was studying in Sion Pehle,
Okay.
in Our Lady of Good Counsel. Then I became a Bandra girl.
Oh, so you...
Apostolic Carmel High School.
And when did you make that switch?
In 7th grade.
Why? But were you like thrown out of the first school or something?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, there was beef. So my
Give me the tea, bro.
so my principal actually I'm not gonna reveal my where I live and everything, but he gave me shit, yeah, you come from here, that's why you act like this. That's what my principal said to me.
Oh, wow.
And my dad got triggered obviously, and he just switched to my school. That.
Oh, I thought like there was something more
नहीं,
than
हुआ
just
ना.
that.
But like अच्छा बोल ही देती हूँ क्या ही करने वाले.
बोल ना.
You can't come to me anyways. So there was this incident happened where there was this girl. उसका book मेरे bag में आ गया था. Okay, and this is a very childish thing.
Yeah, it
तो
happens.
उसके बाद there was like obviously a weekend holiday, and then the next day I returned it back to her. Then she claimed it like, no, I stole the book, and the teacher like sort of made me feel so disgusting in front of the entire class. So I told this to my mom. My mom being such like a, I don't know, she's just like, how dare. That girl used to live like really close to me. So she took me and she went with that book. And
But the book was already with the girl, no?
no, she did not take it. I don't know why.
Oh, she kept it. She was like,
Yeah.
nahi, nahi, you only
and then,
keep it.
We went there, and then my mother and her mother had a fight.
Oh.
Yeah, like a really bad one where there was so much of yelling. And I'm just looking at her and I'm like, dude, I did not steal it, yeah. Obviously,
Yeah.
it's your book. What the fuck will I do with it? Yeah, and then that happened, and they had a fight, our moms. And then the next day,
Did the moms like beat each other up or something?
no, thank God.
Okay. It was
And then
right
the
there.
next day, the girl who was claiming that I stole her book, she got her mom, and that lady, the mother, and my class teacher, they both ashamed me again in front of the entire class.
Oh.
And I was like, what the fuck? And then that lady, just mummy uski, she started calling my mother some weird ass things like
Yeah.
गाली वाली देना चालू कर दिया. So I told my mother. Then obviously that happened, and the principal incident happened, and then I left the school.
No, it's good you left the school, bro. It's so stupid.
I felt very out of place, honestly.
Yeah. It is quite stupid to like treat children like that.
It is.
Because
It is.
as a child, you're going to make mistakes. And it's not like, okay, it's understandable for them to come and educate you saying, oh, if you did steal it, it's wrong. But then tell the child like that. You can't.
Yeah, but like, come on, book.
And then how was your new school in Bandra?
Crazy.
Did you like
Crazy.
enjoy that?
The thing is, I was in a co-ed school, and then I switched to convent school. So a lot of things were very, very
Was
weird.
your convent an only girls school or still?
Yeah, only girls.
Yeah.
So the concept of hugging each other and greeting was so new to me. Because obviously, like, you know, if you're in a girls-boys
Yeah.
school, there are like two guys and then one girl sitting in between, right? And then
I don't know. I'm from an all-boys school.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
You understand what I mean then?
I
Like,
know what your second half is.
girls' school is so much worse than people think it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. There's so much like everybody's catty.
They're all bitchy, no?
Yeah, everybody's bitchy, and fuck that. I became off topic. क्या बोल रही थी मैं?
You were telling about how your switch to your
Yeah.
new Bandra school was.
Yeah. So when I went there, the way everybody was greeting each other was so weird. Like, you know, oh hi, and everybody's meeting each other like it's the first time they've met each
Every
other.
day.
Yeah, and everybody's sitting on each other's lap, and all their pinform is like up till here, and because we have shorts, right?
Yeah.
So everybody was just like acting rowdy. But then it's fine. I became them eventually by the time I left the school.
Yeah.
So.
It took you a while to get acquainted
Yeah,
to
exactly. But yeah. I still never understood the girly aspect of it.
that. So you're not a girl's girl.
I'm a good kind of girl's girl. If the girl's like bitchy, then obviously I'll be a bitch to her.
But what is a girl's girl? Like, I only heard this concept, I heard this term.
I don't
Everyone
think so.
is
Girl's
like-
girl is a thing, you know?
You don't think so?
Yeah, deep down, everybody is a bitch.
But pick me is a trait of a bitch, no?
Yeah. No, it is not actually.
Then what is a pick me girl? Tell me the different types of girls that you've studied in an, like, you know, in a,
Okay.
both in a co-ed and then
Okay.
you say in an all
I'll
girls
tell you
school.
what.
Tell me about that.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get so much hate after this.
Let's do it.
No, I mean from the people I know. So I don't think so. I was not like a popular kid in school, okay? But I was a very popular kid in 9th standard because me and my best friend was thrown into a class with all the dumb kids.
Okay.
Okay. And I was a very average kid back then. So I don't know why, but I gained so much popularity in that class because I was
You became the leader of the dumb kids.
Yeah, but I was not
Okay.
actually a leader. I used to bully the class leader. Yeah.
You came and you stood up to the bully. That's what made you popular.
Yes, exactly. And everybody was just like, you know, and half of the people over there in girls' school are always questioning their sexuality.
I didn't know this.
There are people just like on every single class trips, you'll get to know these weird ass stories about oh she kissed each other, they were making out in the bathroom, and who was on who and everything.
That is a little wild, I'd
It
say.
is very wild. It is very wild. Girls are actually really wild in girls' school. People just don't understand. Like when I was there, I was just like, what the fuck?
That was you every day.
Yeah, truly, what the hell was that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, huh?
It's taking you backward right now. You're getting flashbacks.
I'm just like, trauma.
Yeah, but I mean, after that, you must have, like, once you moved out, you've seen what the different. Are women still like that as a gender, as a species, or did you feel it was just when you all were young, there was more of
Species
it?
as in what?
Species as in, you know what I mean, as a gender,
Uh-huh.
like, were women always, like you said, they were quite inquisitive, they were quite, you would hear this girl with that girl. Maybe because you're in an
think so.
all-girls school.
Yeah, everybody. Even I went through the like. Wait, when people around you are like, you know, are into it, you also end up like, okay, am I?
Is it conditioning?
No, but बाद में तो पता चला ना, wait, I'm not. Like, it's just because, like, you know, I was surrounded. You become who you are with. Like, ऐसा
Yeah.
जो होता है, that is like
Your
very
surroundings
true.
define
Yeah.
you.
And I'm like, I'm not.
But did you, like, give it a try?
No, never.
Just give it a thought.
Never. Like, even
Thought
a
though
thought.
you must have given, no?
Huh, obviously. But obviously, I was like, nah, it's not giving.
It's not good enough.
No, it's not good enough. I'm like, what the fuck? How is that even good?
Yeah, but we were discussing the type of women there are. Like, what are these?
In school or like in general?
In general, I want to really know, I want to understand women. Because all I see are comments where they'll be like, oh, pick me girl. And it's always women calling other women out.
Yeah,
It will never be a man
exactly what I'm
saying a woman.
See, if a
is
guy
that.
is like defaming you or something like that, it's just like him being insecure about something.
Yeah.
But when women, they just do out of like nothing.
They go like really hard at it, I feel.
Yeah, like most of the hate I get is
Yeah.
from women.
I mean, that's quite weird though.
It's not weird. It is actually very normal,
Hmm.
especially with all the other influencers. It's very normal. Sorry, I called influencers
Creators.
I hate the word influencers, but it just like rolled off my tongue.
Yeah.
But
You were telling me the type of women.
women, yeah.
I'll keep reminding you, don't
Yeah,
worry.
thanks. So the first part is just like, you know, people who always think that they're just too good for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you know, just highly, like, they will be very picky about who they talk to or whatever, who they associate with, all of that. I think the second category would be like just normal people who are like girls who are just there. Okay, they don't really want to get attention or all of that. They, in the hindsight, they do want to, but they just don't have the balls to do.
Okay.
And the other one is just like plain introvert. I don't
Introvert?
know. Yeah.
Then where do you have your pick-me girls and where do you have your non-pick-me girls?
I have no clue, dude. I genuinely have no clue about women. I don't really have a lot of friends.
Oh, you don't have too many friends?
No. I have one friend
Okay.
who's been with me since school. That's all.
And that's a girl or a guy?
Girl. Girl and guy. I can't be friends with a guy.
Why not?
Just does not work.
So you feel guys and girls can't be
Can't
friends?
be friends. I don't know. It just cannot. One of them always has like more affection
Towards the other?
Yeah, definitely. And
Do
people
you-
who like disagree with me,
Hmm.
are
They
the
gotta
ones-
reflect.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, I have a theory that a guy and a girl can be friends if they are not at all attracted to each other.
But you can never tell, no, who's attracted
Exactly,
to who.
that's the thing. Like I'll tell
Yeah.
you now, if I can have a female friend who's just not my type, and I know my type, so I know that I'll have someone polar opposite to that, and she and I can be very good friends. Now, if you put me in a room with someone who's kind of my type, then it gets tricky. Then I don't think I can be just friends or just
But
friendship
what if,
work.
see, क्या होता है पता है? Like you start off as like just friends, and then when you're together, you sort of like start becoming your each other's type.
But they'll always, I mean, I don't know, maybe I have very hard rules on my type. But you also don't feel like a guy and a girl
No,
can.
I don't think so.
Have guys ever tried to be friends and take like the friend route?
I don't do. The thing is now I can't even like speak much on it because I never really tried to be friends with any other guy. Genuinely, if you go in my DMs, there's nobody.
What nonsense.
Nobody. I'm not talking to anybody.
But at least your request will be there, no?
I don't think so.
You've never gone through your requests.
I have. They're very like weird. Everybody's just asking, like all women are asking, like, oh, where is this from? Where is that from? That's.
What do your DMs look like? But like in general,
I don't know. Like I don't see. I'll tell you one thing that I love, absolutely love about my account. I have 95% women on my account.
that is
My ratio is insane.
insane,
I
bro.
know.
That is very insane.
I know.
Yeah.
I leverage that when it comes to commercials.
Of course, bro. That is like dream rate.
Yeah.
Dream numbers for
I
people.
know. But like it also depends on the kind of content you do. Like.
What got you into content? Or do you want to tell me what all switch you've made?
I will. Because I think people don't really know about anything about me.
Yeah, bring it out there. Let's make these
Okay.
95% women know
Done.
who Shubhra is.
Okay. But I think for me to like make you believe that, like first of all, I started like as a very creative artsy kid. I used to sell my paintings.
Okay.
Lockdown changed me as like a person. So when the lockdown started and I'm like, I cannot sit idle. I need
Yeah.
to do something. I'm very inquisitive about learning things. Like I don't really believe in paying money to an institute to like learn something out of it.
Yeah.
So I learned how to like paint and everything, oil paints ke saath and everything.
This was all in the lockdown?
Lockdown, yeah. And I
Okay.
started selling my canvases. Like,
Okay.
people bought it. And that was great. And my account, jo bhi hai, it was actually an art account.
Okay.
That transitioned into like different things. Okay, when my art page started booming and everything, people used to buy it. And then there was this phase about Instagram filters that was launched. So I started making Instagram filters. I used to sell my Instagram filters. For like I used to
Okay.
make filters for other people. They used to pay me for it.
So this was all you used to design
In
it.
lockdown, yeah.
Yeah.
So like the
But
spark
what had you studied? Sorry to like cut you over there.
BMM.
What's BMM?
Bachelor's in Mass Media Communications.
So this is when you were still studying.
No,
Or this is before
this
you
was like
started?
after 12th.
Okay, this is just after
12th, yeah.
Okay.
Lockdown. Like I gave my 12th exam and फिर lockdown lag gaya after 10 days. So this was just like me doing nothing but doing everything. Started making Instagram filters, which was great out of nowhere. Learned how to like code like 0.5%. And then that happened and then I was like, just need to make some money. And then I started like, there was this thing where thrift stores were booming. So I opened a thrift store.
And what were you from where were you getting all these clothes to sell?
Delhi. So I was 17 at the time when I started it, right? 16, 17ish. So I was like, my parents were not letting me go to Delhi. So I hired an intern in Delhi to run around, and I used to pay her.
And how would she get the clothes? How would she procure them?
I used to give her, I had numbers, I had list of vendors. I just couldn't go there because my parents didn't send me.
So she would buy like
yeah,
used
and she used
clothes.
to send, yeah.
Huh.
So I'll tell you what, Super Vintage.
Tell me how it worked, yeah.
Super Vintage, you know Super Vintage?
Yeah.
And like Bombay Closet Cleanse and all
Yeah,
of these,
yeah,
we have the same
business model.
No, we have the same like guy who we source it from.
Okay.
But because Super Vintage was always used to get the first pick and all of that. But I knew the guy, so I used to send her over there. I used to tell her to like pick a few things which are good because I was very selective about what I sell. And she was also studying fashion and everything. I was like, fuck it.
But what made you think of getting into this?
Making money.
That was it. That was your only driving force.
That was it. Like I used to like it.
Okay.
I used to genuinely, I wanted to get into fashion, but I was never like the studious kind. I was always like, taking the smart way out. So I wanted to get into fashion, but never really want to stitch clothes.
Okay.
But I also liked.
You like the appeal of it, like the whole look and
so I used
feel.
to just get it. Like I started with getting my clothes, and then I started like making styling reels out of it, and then posting it on my thrift page because people can't just like buy it and like see the product and buy it. So I used to give them the whole look, how it would look, and then sell it. So I used to sell out every single drop.
That is.
And I had
cool.
I had 5 people working for me, and my mother, my best friend, and 3 other people. So yeah, it was quite a journey.
That is so cool, bro. And this is all when you were like 17, 18.
Yeah.
So when you were 17, one day you were just like, fuck it, I want to make money.
Yeah.
And then you knew that.
See, the thing is, making money is not that difficult.
It's not. You just have to think.
Not. Yeah, it is really not.
It's always around you.
Yeah.
You just have to have that vision to be able to sell it.
Sometimes people think that thrift business is just so tacky. It's not. It's not. It's genuinely not. I'll tell you the best sale I made. Got a really varsity jackets were like booming back then. I don't even know why I never wore one.
Yeah.
And it was booming, and I got this really nice leather green jacket which was like so good. And I was like, everybody's been wanting this. I put it up for auction. I got something for 800 and I sold it for 8,000.
People bought an old.
Yes. And it was so good. That jacket was bought by Remo D'Souza's son, and Remo D'Souza wore it for this thing
Some
on
function.
the TV. Yeah.
That is pretty cool,
and
bro.
people told me, like, isn't that what you sold? Like, oh, that was his son. Got it.
So this is like your craziest money that you've made.
Yeah, like, oh my God, I had like 10 folds.
Yeah, exactly, which is quite
Crazy.
Quite fucking cool to think that a pre-used jacket would go for that much.
I used to put everything for laundry once I used to go. That was my mother's position to do.
Okay, so then wait, let's go back to your business. You had an intern, she'd get you clothes, she'd send it to Bombay, and then you'd put it on your page, and then you'd sell it within India or just
I'll tell you the... Okay,
tell me your customer cycle.
She'll send it to me. And then uske baad, once I get it, I open it, I see like what needs what kind of washes.
Okay,
because things like are like way too bad. I don't tell him to like give it to me. He knows what I would like and everything. The stains that are like workable, removable, I will take that. So jisko laundry chahiye, dry cleaning, I used to segregate that. That used to go. Once I get it, Tehseen, my best friend, used to film for me.
Okay.
Because I can't do everything. I used to film for me, and at the time I didn't have a good phone. I used to go with like 3-4 bags to her house because her house was pretty.
Aesthetic.
And she had good sunlight, and we used to film there. And once that was done, I used to come back, schedule the post and everything, and then I post. So me and my best friend, both we used to handle the entire thing.
Correct.
Okay. Uske baad, once it is sold.
So people would DM you to buy it.
Yeah. And then I enter it in my Excel sheet who bought what, because it gets too confusing. And then uske baad comes the packing and shipping. Packing and shipping also me and my mother used to handle. My mother used to just ship it. I used to pack everything, all the orders. Now the transition after I got done with my thrift store page. My thrift store.
When did you end that?
In between my work phase. So after that,
wait, sorry, the timeline. Let's go timeline wise.
Okay.
2020 lockdown happened. Then you started
painting. Painting, I've been doing it as like when I was a
hobby.
kid. हाँ, but
Okay.
वो फिर से हो गया.
ठीक है, तो painting, you started selling your
Yeah.
paintings.
हाँ.
This was 2020,
Yeah.
sometime in 2020. Then in 2021 came your thrift store.
नहीं.
Then?
My Instagram filter selling.
Instagram
वाला
filter. That was
Yeah.
2020 or 2021?
2021 only.
Okay,
Yeah.
21. Then when did you start your thrift store?
2022.
In 22.
Yeah.
And then you did this for how long?
For a year and a half. And
So
it
that means
boomed.
almost now
yeah,
you stopped
and
it.
I used to do pop-ups at car socials and everything used to sell out. My best pop-up yet was car socials. People were just
If you
drunk and
don't
buying
mind
things.
me, if you don't mind me asking, how much money have you made off a thrift store?
Monthly,
Yeah.
around easy 60, 70.
That's
Monthly.
very good, bro.
I know.
And this is like
like-
profit. This is pure profit or
The thing is, I was a child, तो मैंने इतना
हाँ.
कुछ ये नहीं कर like I didn't really segregate
Yeah,
money.
you
I just
didn't.
used to think कि how much is my how much money I have to pay to my people.
Hmm.
That's it. और जो भी आया used to reinvest into things. मेरा
Okay.
I don't really used to. I never took cuts out of it or bought anything because I used to always purchase the higher expensive things from the guys to make double money out of it.
That is fucking impressive, bro. Like good one. You've been a hustler. That
Yeah,
means.
I have.
Yeah.
मेरे को word ही नहीं आ रहा था.
You couldn't remember the word
Yeah.
hustler or what?
That and then happened is मेरा BMM का
Yeah.
first year, second year. I was in my second year. Okay, I was still continuing
Okay.
my thrift store wala thing. So in my second year, one of my friend got me a job. Like I always wanted to get into direction
Okay.
because I loved doing it, and I got a job into like a production house, which I did for like almost a year.
Hmm.
And which was great. I traveled for like a month or two for like a traveling
Shoots.
series, yeah. And that was great, but it was also so toxic, and it was just like not paying me as much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was paying me. I was like on a 20,000 salary, but I was there as a social media intern, but I was doing everything else. but yeah, that happened, and then I was like, you know what? It's so taxing. I can't really do my lemon and honey this, and I also started posting my lemon and honey wala styling reels on my main account because
Okay.
it was doing good on my page.
Lemon and honey is your
Yeah,
thrift
sorry.
store.
Yeah, and it started doing well. The styling reels, I started posting it on my main page also, and that got traction. And then I got barter deals and everything, and then I started getting paid. Like, oh my god, someone's paying me like 6,000 to make a video. That's crazy.
Yeah.
And then I did it, and then वो हो गया, and then I just couldn't manage all three things. My
Correct.
store, my job, and my
Yeah. It is a little difficult to balance
Yeah.
all of that.
And that happened, and then I was like, I need to call something off. एक तो. So I shut down my store
Hmm.
because I was like, it is great, but the store is only working because people can't go out and buy. Once
Yeah.
people start going out, वो नहीं होगा.
It's
So my
done for.
profits started, like the margins were declining, and I'm like, it doesn't really make sense to sustain the entire thing. So I called it off, and
Yeah. Is it too hot?
that's what she said.
Should I get some cold water? In
No,
that?
it's great.
It's good.
No, it's good. What was I saying?
You were telling about how you had to shut down lemon and honey.
Yeah, and then I started focusing more on my work because that was like
This was the
Future thing.
direction job that you were doing.
हाँ, I wanted to, but
Okay.
I like वो थोड़ा position, you have to like climb the ladder.
Agreed.
Yeah? And then that happened, and then it was just like it was so toxic. I was like, you know what, I can't. Once you start working and you have like a job,
Yeah.
you can't really do a normal
You
job
can't do
under
anything
somebody.
else, exactly.
You can't take commands. It's not about taking commands, it's just toxic commands that you
Yeah.
can't take. And that happened, and then I was like, you know what, bye-bye.
Hmm.
So my friends were like, oh, you can't quit at everything. तो मैं जाके quit करके आ गई ऊपर.
How long ago was this?
Last February.
Oh, 22.
Yeah.
Okay.
22, 23. Sorry.
23 रहेगा.
कुछ तो हो गया.
हाँ, ठीक है.
23 रहेगा mostly. And that happened, and I was like, you know what, I can't do it. And then वो छोड़ दिया. And then now I am fully into content creation.
Hmm.
Okay. It took me like almost a year to like start like
Monetizing it properly
no, not
or
year, like barely any time, but I started monetizing it more.
Hmm. You
out
gave
of
it your all. Like you started putting more effort
Yeah,
into
I'll
it.
tell you what I did. It was so like it was stupid, and everybody around me thought it was stupid, but I was like, no, it's great. Because my house, I didn't really used to find it like, you know, there was no light, it's not aesthetic, and no, I don't care anybody tell you ki like, you know, you don't need your aesthetics and everything
Yeah.
to like, you know, make it into the like you genuinely need it. Because if your visuals are not appealing, what the fuck will the audience watch?
True.
So I was like, you know, this is not happening. Ghar pe, I was doing it. I even bought like a full backdrop to like get into it and everything. But even that was not working because light ही नहीं है तो backdrop का ही क्या ही करूँ. So my dad had a house in Navi Mumbai. So I shifted to Navi Mumbai.
You moved there alone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and I was like, ठीक है, like I have what 50-60,000 in my pocket जो बचा हुआ था lemon and honey का job भी छोड़ दिया है. And I was like, you know, let's just take a chance. Like I'm not like renting it or
Yeah.
something, but it was like not furnished. So I put half of it into furnishing my hall where I'll film, just to make it look more.
Appealing.
Yeah. That happened. Then I started staying there and it actually picked up. I started my series, it boomed, and I got.
What was the series?
It was just like the Style With Me wala series, which
Okay.
started really getting the traction. And it started doing well. And it was me, I was not with an agency. So I was making really well without an agency as well. But yeah, wo ho gaya, and then I started monetizing. It took me like 6 months to go from 25K to 100K.
Yeah, that's actually very impressive, and the fact that you took that leap of faith to
Yeah.
move out of your house and you knew
Yeah.
that you wanted to do this. That itself is quite commendable for you to have taken that, you know, put that faith in yourself.
Yeah.
And then how was it living alone?
The thing is, my dog used to scare me. Like I got a dog while
Okay.
I was there.
Ella.
So, Ella
Yeah.
used to just bark randomly at the door in the middle of the night, 2 o'clock. And
But you took Ella with you to Navi Mumbai.
हाँ, मतलब I adopted her while I was there.
Okay.
Mid staying over there.
Hmm.
And she just used to scare the shit out of me sometimes. And I used to live on the last floor. And there was just one person over there, other living. Baki sab flats khali tha.
Oh shit.
It was.
Was it like a
scary.
big society or like just a standalone
No,
building?
it was like a decent society. Yeah, but I was living in a good part of like hustling, bustling wala area where like
Okay.
yeah.
There were people around. It was not
there
like
were-
secluded.
Yeah, but in the night after like 9 o'clock, it gets like pitch
Quiet.
dark and yeah, quiet. What the fuck? People have no social life over there.
Navi Mumbai, I feel, is still not developed enough.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the reason why
Yeah.
you felt that way.
Yeah.
And then how did you manage with? How is it living alone? I've never lived alone.
Yeah.
So
It
what
is-
exactly does it
The
take?
thing is, I love it because I come from a joint family. So
Okay.
it is always so chaotic. So now you being there and like there's nobody telling you to like, you know, jaldi khane ke liye aao and all of that, and you take your time and you do that. I used to cook my own food, get up on my time. I used to work out there only. Kuch to karti thi, but
Yeah.
like yeah. And I used to make my food. I used to work, edit, and it was like my routine that I had said to not go insane over there.
So you were living a disciplined life even though you were living alone.
I was because I
Yeah.
had to. I need to make this work, or else I have nothing to rely on.
So like when you say you lived in a joint family, who all lived with you?
12
How big was it? 12 people.
We have a house.
It's like a big house.
And
Huh.
mera house is like also connected to other my relatives wala house. So it's like an entire community wala relatives just living under like
So 12 people in that one
house.
community house. Damn, bro.
Yeah.
So many people. Like I don't.
Exactly.
So there's
what
no
I'm
privacy.
saying.
I
There's
think.
no privacy. That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. And then that's what was so important. Ki if I want to do this creator thing, my dad actually found out recently I'm a creator.
So he didn't know. What was he thinking that you do till now?
Something in media.
Okay.
Yeah, but he just called me like 5 days back. I was like, are you a creator or something? No, he didn't say that. I was like, are you some social media thing? Or like, why? Who's asking? No, one of my friend was asking. And I didn't know, so I just gave her your number. I was like, okay.
Imagine she gets you some brand deal now.
Huh?
Imagine she'll get you some brand deal now. That's pretty cool.
Oh my God. I hope not. I don't want to tell my dad that I make Get Ready With Me for money.
I wear clothes for money, dad.
Yeah.
He'll be happy, bro. Come on.
The
You're
thing is,
wearing
he
clothes for
understands
money.
the freelancing because even he's
Yeah.
he's a freelancer. So he'll probably understand.
So then, like going back to you moving out of house. So you were 12 people in one house and
Yeah.
then you moved out of there and
Yeah.
suddenly it was just you alone.
Yeah.
Did you not feel like
I did. I
sudden
did. And
low-
the thing is, it was just like, 2 hours to go back
Hmm.
and then 2 hours to come back. The only reason I moved back to Bombay because I started doing financially well. I started doing, but मैंने 6 months I did not do anything. I did not take another step to like move into a house over here because
Okay.
the rents are insane.
That is true.
Right? So I used to do the traveling back and forth from Navi Mumbai to here because events, so I can't miss out because I'm just
That's
like,
the only way
budding
you are,
creator. Yeah, that's the only social life I have. So I used to come here. I used to drop my dog at my boyfriend's house. I used to go for events. Okay, I used to come back, probably sleep at my घर में, my parents' house, and then take Ella in the morning and leave again.
And go back to Navi Mumbai.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, you've really hustled it out,
Yeah,
I must say.
I have.
I'm proud of you for what you've done.
I'm glad.
It's quite
That's what's keeping me
commendable.
humble.
Yeah, it's quite commendable for you to have achieved so much and had that dedication all
It is.
throughout. And then you also, like you mentioned, your boyfriend. Like, how long have you been together? Because I even
Almost
saw.
3 years now.
Okay, so he's
Yeah.
been through this whole. He's
Yeah,
seen the
actually-
whole thing.
He was actually a very integral part of my lemon and honey phase because he used to handle my finances. And
Okay.
also most of my, when I'm not available or doing something, he used to handle all the DMs when people used to like do the drops and everything. So yeah, he's been through.
So how did you guys meet or?
Oh, I love this. I love this. Okay, this is my favorite part because it's so interesting. 31st December, like 2.5 years back, I got dumped on 31st.
Oh shit!
Yeah, dude. I'm just going somewhere. I'm in the train with this guy.
How long were you dating this other guy? for?
I have a very bad dating history of
Chal
like,
na,
oh
let's-
my
let's
God,
go
if
into
my
the-
parents see this, I am so sorry. But
It's okay, man. You made it. You're doing what you have to do.
The thing, I'm going off topic, but yeah. So first guy started dating while I was in school, and it went on for like.
How did you even find someone in school, bro? You were in an all-girls
it
school.
happens when you are in like tuitions or something like that.
Okay, so you started dating this boy.
Yeah,
When
and then
you
it
were
went
like
on for like
12, 13.
yeah.
Mm.
Shit, dude, that is wrong.
No, you were dating a 13-year-old, which is fine.
Huh?
When you were 13, you were also with a 13-year-old boy, no? Come on, man.
I was not. He was older, and I think that's why people were asking me to like leave it.
If you don't mind me asking, how much old?
I don't remember actually, but he was older, yeah.
Oh my. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. So you were dating a pedophile for a bit.
Not a pedophile. I nothing. The thing is, I love all my boyfriends. I give all my soul and through credit for where I am is to all my boyfriends. My breakups have helped me so much to improve myself because every time I go through a breakup, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna work so crazy.
It fuels you.
Yeah, it's insane.
Okay, wait. Let's go back to
Yeah.
dating history. You were 13. This guy was like
Something.
30?
Yeah.
and
Oh my God, not 30. I'm so sorry. My parents are gonna see this. They'll kill me.
uncle auntie, it was a joke. Sorry, but he was older, which
Yeah.
in my eyes the age difference.
It is bad. It is bad.
Of
It is
course.
bad,
It is.
yeah.
Guys, if y'all are
Please don't do it. I would not advise
any
you.
boy who's watching this, please do not date
Yeah.
that much younger if you're like 17.
Okay, wait, hold up. We
Yeah,
need to
Ali.
clear this up because it sounds really sus. So let's do this.
Yeah.
Say between this and this. Like, you don't need to say an exact number, but say, okay, the age difference was between 1 and, I don't know, 5. Something like that. So that
Yeah,
people's
let's-
imagination.
Years?
Yeah, the difference in
3 or 4 years?
Yeah, so see, if you're a 16-year-old boy, please go for a girl who is 15, 16
Yeah, truly. Come on.
or above.
Let's not-
That you can. I don't think you should go below that. That's a little
You should.
concerning. And when she says like if she was 13 and this boy was 16, that's bad because the boy is in
Yeah.
like 11th and you're in 8th.
Yeah.
So
Okay, let's move
yeah, let's go back to
Yeah.
Yeah,
this.
so that happened, and then like my family got to know, and obviously like they didn't like it, they did not appreciate it. So obviously, I ended it. Then we got into like junior college, started dating a boy, and
And how old was this guy now?
same class. Same
Thank God.
class.
Thank God. Come on.
I made progress.
Progress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then that happened, and then it was going great and everything, but he was. Oh my God, I'm ratting my boyfriends out.
No one knows
He
them.
was-
I have no idea who this
But
guy
they
is.
know, na, they're not
Only
talking
that
about
one
that.
person knows, na, who you're talking about.
I think people would know.
One or
But
two
anyways,
people know. Yeah.
He was always like into consoling other girls. Fishy.
Yeah.
I was like, something is wrong. Because वो मुझे नहीं मिलता था. Like every time something traumatic used to happen in my life for the plot, he was never there. He
Okay.
was always giving me solutions. He was not consoling. That was the difference.
Okay. So and he would console other girls. He
हाँ.
wouldn't give them solutions.
Yeah, and there was always like chicks in his DMs. You know what? Why the fuck am I protecting him? There was always, chicks in their DM, in his DMs. Ki like, you know, this happened, that happened, and he was always like giving them life lessons. That's like major red flag.
Yeah, of course that is.
Yeah, that happened, and then उधर से मेरा trust issues चालू हुआ.
And
That
how long
happened.
were you with him?
A year and a half or something like that.
Okay.
Or more.
Hmm.
But then COVID happened. Okay. मुझे COVID हुआ. And I don't know what happened. He broke up with me.
So did he inform you or he just like blocked you?
No, he told me about it, and I was telling him because my mother knew, and my mother used to like him and everything because, like, you know, he's so nice and
Yeah.
everything. And he just, while I was in the hospital, and there was like this thing happening, an apocalypse, and he called it off with me, and I'm just like in the hospital alone, like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Yeah, I had nobody to talk to. It's very.
It's quite depressing.
It's
Yeah.
very depressing.
Yeah.
And that happened, and then ek to like I'm a very, very loyal person, and even like if anybody will go through my phone, they will find nobody,
Okay.
nobody. And that is like later on I realized that's like really sad. It's
not
bad.
sad, it's
not
good.
like, yeah, but like I don't have any other social life when I'm with somebody. I do have, but only with them.
I get it. It's the
Yeah?
dependability factor which
True.
you feel is not good.
Yeah. It is
Yeah, I
not good.
understand. I'll get back to this where it's
But
not.
uske baad,
हाँ.
okay, while we broke up, so there was some other, like, this guy I started talking to, and we spoke, and he was just like the guy who dumped me, by the
Yeah,
way.
yeah, yeah. I got it.
Uska wo chalu hua in the COVID wala thing
Okay.
only. And we started,
How did you meet this guy? But
huh?
how did you meet this new guy?
It was still COVID was happening,
Huh.
no? So we didn't really meet. We just to
Talk online.
and like similar interests, like
But that's what I'm saying. How did you all get to know of each
Instagram.
other? Okay.
Instagram. And he asked me out pehle also while I was in a relationship, but I was like,
Yeah.
oh bro, I'm dating somebody, I'm
Yeah.
pretty loyal. That happened, but then I called it off, and then he texted again, and then we started talking. And similar interests like music and movies and all of that. And this guy was always a bit sus. Okay, because never really posted anything on Instagram.
I thought girls like that shit, like zero posts.
Yeah, they do, but not when you're in like a relationship and you never really post your
Okay,
girlfriend.
yeah.
ये मुझे पहले लगता था just like हाँ balls ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, but हाँ it happened with me. Yeah, and that happened, and then I was like, you know what? Why aren't you posting? There was this one time where I told him like, you know what the fuck, why don't you post me? ऐसी मस्ती. So he posted, but then I saw him in like ऐसा hindsight, he just like
Archived it.
no, hid so many people.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, I will come back to that also. Okay, so 31st. It's so spicy tea.
Tell me.
Okay, so 31st ho gaya, and then I figured that he has been talking to somebody else in a fishy way, cheating on me. Pata nahi kya hua. But I asked him, are you seeing somebody? So he started obviously like thoda making a big deal about it, like, you know, how dare you ask me and everything. So I was like, okay, fine. And then kuch hua, and then I left, and I didn't really ask for confrontation. Hua hi nahi. That happened, and then we just stopped talking.
On 31st.
Yeah.
Okay.
And uske baad we never really contacted each other. That happened, and then I met the guy I'm dating, Neil, because I was just like in a really bad phase. I just wanted to like go out, okay, because I have been working so hard. That's what she said. And she...
This was on 31st.
Yeah.
Okay.
31st ho gaya, and then I got a job, like I said, in the production house, and that happened, and my thrift store was booming. All my other sectors in my life was so nice. I was
But
like,
love
let's
life
fuck
was
up.
lacking, yeah.
Let's fuck up one more.
Yeah.
So I was like, you know what? I should just go out. So there was this guy, Neil, who used to follow me, who used to follow me since my painting wala phase, and used to also be a Lemon and Honey customer, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah. And he used to like follow me back then also, and he also used to, he asked me to make a painting for him of Godfather, if I'm not wrong, because he used to like it. And I never really like made it because, you know, it's not what I like, so I will not make it. I'll only make it if I genuinely like it. So that happened, and then he was a very secluded person, not really into anybody's business, never really spoke to me in a fishy manner. There was this one time we had a fight on gua sha.
What is gua sha?
It's like, it's a face wala tool.
Oh,
you know,
I know, the roller.
Yeah, and I had this habit of yapping a lot on my Instagram in the COVID wala time. So I was like, oh damn dude, that this is like a new trend. I really want to try gua sha. And he was like, and him being a typical gym dude, like aise thodi hota hai, you will lose your fat over all of your body. Like you can't just really like, you know, focus it on your face. Thoda back and forth, like never really texted this guy again. But uske baad, after 2 years, he came into the picture again. Or like he seemed nice. Like,
but how did he come in the picture?
He used
You
to
said
like,
you wanted
see,
to
the
go
thing is,
out.
yeah, he always used to like reply to my stories in a nice way.
Okay.
Nothing fishy. But women
not a
know.
hey sexy.
Yeah.
It was like a nice
yeah.
top. Something like that.
No, nice top. No, it's just like emojis or something like
Okay.
that. Or reply something funny. Or in nothing bad waise.
Yeah.
So he was like, oh, he's a safe bet.
Mm.
And very few mutuals. I don't even know where this guy lives or never seen this guy. Like, he'll be nice. It's new.
New
project.
face. Yeah.
So I met him.
Okay.
And
So you only
no.
messaged him?
Yeah, I asked him out. First text only I asked him out.
What did you say?
It was like, hey, like, he knew like mera pop-ups and everything hota tha. So I asked him out, like, you wanna come for like a drink or something at my pop-up and everything. And he said no.
Crazy. I love this man, bro. That's a real man.
Yeah, and I'm like, what the hell? Like, okay. And then I was at the pop-up. Like, I asked him again, if are you coming? Or like, no, dude, I'm not coming. And my friend started setting me up with somebody else at the pop-up. I'm like, aisa mat karo. Then that happened, and the next time I asked him out again, like a shameless person, because he was nice.
Yeah.
I'm like, kuch to reason hoga that he said no. Like I know I'm pretty. I know he likes me because women can tell.
Yeah.
And that happened, and I texted him again. He like, do you wanna go out for like a drink or something? And he's like, no, I'll meet you in the morning at 10 o'clock for coffee. I was like, okay, great.
What a guy, man.
Yeah, I was like, okay, theek hai. And then we met. This man is sitting under like shining sun, dhoop mein, and he's sitting and just like that. And I sat down there, and then he's just like, we started talking, and then usko realized why it's a date, because I never made it official that I had broken up with the other guy. And he was on my private account at the time, so I thought you were dating, you're just meeting me as a friend. That's why I said no, because why the fuck will I meet somebody else's girlfriend?
Yeah, that's cool. I like this guy. I like this
and
guy.
I'm also his first girlfriend.
Oh, that makes sense why he didn't understand any of the cues. Such a typical first girlfriend thing to happen to the poor boy.
Yeah, but I'm like very nurtured that way. Because
what's the age difference
first
between the
love.
two of you?
At the same age.
Okay. So
I made that transition.
Yeah. That's cool. That's cool with him. I mean, I understand where he comes from, because not many men get the hint. Or not many men understand when a girl
he
is...
thought that I was dating. So like, why
Yeah,
would I...
so he thought that you were like cheating on your boy and meeting him.
And he also got his results for his CA. And he did not clear it. So he was just bummed out about it.
Oh, that's the reason why I didn't want to come out that night.
Yes, and that also. कि मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये date है.
Oh, poor guy.
Yeah. Sweet guy.
Yeah, it's so sweet and innocent of him to, you know.
Yeah.
It's very nice that he didn't want to overstep a boundary and he told you no.
It is.
Yeah.
Like,
nice guy,
green
nice.
flag.
Yeah, green flag.
That happened. And then he dropped me at Tehseen's house, and I told Tehseen ki, at that time I told my best friend that I had broken up.
Oh, so till then even she didn't know.
4 or 5 months ago.
Hmm.
Yeah, she didn't know because I was just too embarrassed to admit that I was cheated on.
Yeah, fair enough. It happens.
That happened.
Yeah.
Now the spicy thing.
Oh, there's more spice
Yes,
left.
yes,
Yeah.
there is.
Continue.
Okay, so like 3 months back, abhi, in March, there was this thing like itching me. You know, I never really asked my ex.
Yeah.
Like, how did he even cheat on me, or where did it happen, or how did it go wrong? So I was like, okay, crazy. And uske baad I was at a concert at Divine, and this guy texted me out of nowhere. Never really initiated for like 2 years, okay?
Yeah.
Text me about how, like, you know, he wants to talk to me. So after the concert, I went home. He's like, can I call you? I was like, okay. He called me, and then he was just talking about how he went wrong and he fucked up. And karma's a bitch and it got to him.
After 2 years.
Yeah. And he's like, I have been trying to like tell you about it. Ki, you know, all of this and the entire thing. There was this one time I was at Carter Road, and then there was this like walk swap happening, and they asked me about my worst breakup and everything. So मैंने बोल दिया कि हाँ, he was cheating on me for this. Like, तो मैंने बोल दिया. तो he saw that because it got like millions of views, and he saw that, and his friends forwarded it to him like, isn't this your girlfriend? So तब से for 1.5 years he's been wondering कि this is the false info, like ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं था. And then after 1.5 years he texted me कि हाँ ऐसा सब नहीं था and everything, but I didn't really believe him. तो मैंने मेरी मम्मी सामने बैठी थी, so I didn't really say like ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं कि like why the fuck did you do this and everything.
But did he like admit to cheating on you?
हाँ, sort of.
What did he say?
He's like, I'd never like cheated on you, but I was talking to somebody else and everything. But like if you can call that cheating.
There are different ways of cheating. It's not.
You don't really have to just like have sex with a person and call it cheating. And the thing is, we never used to speak because he was like with his exams and everything. So we never really spoke with each other. But he was speaking to her.
He had time for her.
Yeah, that happened. And then after years, I was like, you know what? It's time that I confront this man. So I asked Neil, are you fine with it if I go and meet him?
Yeah.
So I met him.
And then what did he say? That's when he told you about all of this?
नहीं, मतलब पता था, like he told me पहले also, but I never really like just tell him like why. Like I have really.
But did you get
insane
closure
trust
from
issues.
that then?
Sort of, yeah. I did. Crazy.
Yeah. And then how is it like? So you mentioned how you're Neil's first girlfriend. What's that like?
It's
someone's
insane.
first
It's
girlfriend.
Insane. See, I'll tell you what. You are like really nurtured as a person.
Okay.
You're very pampered as a person, and it's genuinely nice because there's past, future, kuch hai nahi. Like past hi nahi.
He doesn't have a comparison point.
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly. And with guys, I think there is this thing with like their first love and this girl they used to like and all of that. Is that true?
It is.
It is, yeah. Great.
I feel I'll tell you like what. It's basically you like one girl, and then after she breaks your heart, you'll never like anyone.
Yeah.
To that level. And that's how men usually function.
Great.
And I feel women, it's easier for them to find multiple people to love. It obviously will not be the same way, but it's still not going to be as bad as it is for a man.
Yeah, makes sense, but I also deny.
Why do you deny it?
Because what do you mean? Like, women don't really... The women I have met, they never really initiated anything without any reason.
What do you mean?
Like a breakup. They never initiated without any reason.
But that's the thing, no? Like, so again, another theory is that women get done with the relationship before the men. Before the men do. And before it's over.
Yes, true. Yeah.
So like, let's say you've stopped liking your partner. You'll still be with them for 3 to 4 months.
No, you'll stop liking them, but you're also making it work. But your partner is not willing to give in to, like, for making that relationship work. The distance increases. So, jitna distance they are going apart, it becomes easier to, like, call it off later. And then, like, it's easier to get over. It's not like, like I left a guy and then I'm going out partying the next day. It's not like that. You're still grieving, but it's not the same. For guys, you don't really realize what you've lost. And फिर वो 2-3 महीने बाद hit होता है.
That's what I'm saying. Like for women, what I've heard is that women usually get done with a relationship and then like they'll be done with the guy. But there's still like this 3-4 month buffer period where it's not good, but they'll still be with the same guy until one day when they wake up and they're like, bro, I'm done.
So you need that clarity, na?
Yeah.
Yes, you're totally done.
Exactly what I'm saying. So then like women have that period where they have that, okay, I'm done with this guy.
Okay.
But I'll still be with this guy. And then when the 4th month mark hits or whatever, I'm giving like a ballpark figure. When that hits, they'll just be like, I'm out. And that's when the guy is just like, what the fuck just happened? And that's when men
I think, don't guys see it coming? I'm pretty sure they see it coming.
But the thing is, most men will not understand that that's what's coming.
Yeah.
Because men as a species, we're very... Species? Why do I keep saying... As a gender... men were very straight up, we're very upfront, where we'll be like, okay, if this is happening, if it's good for me, I'll tell it out. If it's going bad, I'll speak about it.
Okay.
Or I'll never speak about it, but then you try and analyze it. You try and look at it from another lens. But then with women, I feel like they'll only talk to their closest friends, their female best friends, and they all give each other like really bad advice, is what
I'll
I
tell
feel.
you what, this is something I never do.
You never speak about it?
No, I told my best friend about my breakup after after I got over it, after the breakup.
And then how did
I
she
saw
react?
another guy, and she told me like, what a bitch, because you just got done and you are like,
Yeah, with someone
you
else.
didn't even tell me, and you're just coming here and some random dude dropped you off in front of my house. So I'm like, she was okay with it, but like I think I've mastered the art of coping up with breakups.
I want to talk to you about this as well. I love how some of your reels are so well shot, and
Is it?
yeah, some reels that you've made I genuinely like because I can see the effort behind them.
Yeah.
It's not just the generic shit that you see everywhere where everyone, there is
The
one.
thing is, one thing about me, like a lot of people have told me, especially my boyfriend, that when I started this, I used to put like 60% of my
Effort.
commercials
Okay.
into production.
You used to
So-
put a lot back into it.
Yeah, a lot. Even right now I do, but then I just think it goes very like brands don't really appreciate it. So I
Okay.
do it only for the brands who appreciate it and who gives me the creative freedom.
Okay. Yeah, because I'll tell you, like, even I don't remember the name of the product that you were selling, that you had done a deal with, but I really liked the whole
What
script.
was it?
The lip balm one. The one that shaped like an
Ordinary?
egg. Yeah,
Ordinary, yeah.
I love the way you shot that because I've seen
I
so
know.
many reels because the minute they came out, you know how much money they've churned in. Every influencer
yeah.
is posting
Yeah.
it. But I really like I remember yours. I don't
Yeah.
remember the others.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. Like with you, I really found some of your reels, I'll say it in an umbrella term, cinematic.
Yeah,
Because-
I love doing that.
Yeah.
Genuinely, that's my forte. I love.
Do you want to do that even in your reels then?
Yeah, I do. I am.
Sorry, not
I'm
reels.
shooting something so. It's so good. I'll tell you off camera.
Yeah, tell it
It's
to me
so
off
good.
camera. But do you want to like translate this to your YouTube as well?
No.
Or do you want to keep your
So the
YouTube
thing
as
is
raw as
my-
possible?
Yeah, YouTube is my life. I don't really give out a lot of my life on my
Okay.
Instagram. So I'm definitely going to divide my audience. So anybody who's genuinely interested in my life will definitely like convert that into like YouTube wala audience. But people who are not, just
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
okay. It's not for everyone.
it's always like about building a community. You
Yeah.
want people to be there.
Hmm.
I don't.
That is true.
Because I know for a fact people who always try to make their videos crazy, every single video they put like so much effort into every
Yeah.
single video. They stop doing it after 3-4 videos because it's so hectic.
It is taxing.
Yeah, it's not like then it's not raw.
Hmm. How does that go in this?
Huh?
It doesn't go in this. That's what she said does not go well with.
Raw story.
I got the raw, but I mean,
It isn't raw.
Stewie wouldn't know.
You
I
didn't get
love.
it.
I mean,
You did not get it.
my mother watches. My father watches.
I'm a big fan of Office.
yeah.
Love The Office.
What was I saying? Wait, I'd forgotten. Yeah, fuck. You were telling me you watch a lot of movies.
I do.
Which are your favorite movies? And tell me this because I'm not a movie
Okay,
buff.
my favorite psych thriller, which will like fucking fuck your head. Ki, what the fuck am I watching? Okay, and you'll feel like turning it off. Is Gerald's Game?
Okay.
And it's insane.
Isn't it that one dude who's like dies or something?
Yeah, it's so good. Have you seen it?
No, I have.
There's
I
a
think
lot
I've
of-
seen
there's
a reel or
like,
something. in it.
It is. People think it is horror.
Hmm.
It is horror, but it's not. You're not expecting the plot.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then after, what sort of genre do you watch the most?
I don't have like if you are like
You'll just
movies,
consume
I
media.
don't think so. Anybody should have a genre if they genuinely like movies.
Yeah.
So a lot of the time when I was told to watch anime, I was like, Doraemon.
Hmm.
Then someone told me, one of my friends, that you can't really make an opinion about something without
Yeah.
watching it. So I started watching and I love anime now.
Which are your favorite anime?
Anime as in like movies. Like one of the first movies I watched in the theater, anime, was Weathering with You. Was so good. Oh my god, the details are insane. The details
So, which are your favorite anime movies?
my
or
anime
shows?
movies are very comforting. So there's this movie called Ponyo.
Mm-hmm.
I love that. There's Kimi no Nawa, which is like very generic movies that I'm naming, but like obviously
Yeah,
that's what
fair.
Google
I
told
don't
me.
know. Even I don't
Yeah.
know anything about
And
anime.
There was Your Name, and There was Spirited Away is like a very
Lovely movie.
yeah. Most of the Ghibli movies I've seen it.
Mm.
Yeah.
And then shows, do you watch anime shows
I
or no?
don't. I don't have the patience for it.
I feel like they're too long. There's too much to
That's what she said.
watch.
I'm sorry.
And then what about like regular film? What do you tell me? Like
I
3-4
watch
movies
Office
that I
on
should
like
watch.
as a background. Like I know
Ah.
because by the time I start watching the first season, I'm on the last season. I start watching it again because my pehla season bhul gayi.
So you just keep binge watching Office.
Yeah. Then there's Office.
Office. Yeah.
That's not. Yeah. I mentioned that. Oh my god.
Favorite shows. Chalo.
Rearranging my thoughts. Huh.
Tell me favorite
There's
shows.
Schitt's Creek.
Hmm.
Really well written.
Yeah.
You know them?
I've
seen
not
it.
watched it, but I've heard
It's
a lot
the
about
father
it.
and the son who've wrote it and like casted
Oh,
themselves.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I've read a lot.
And,
I've heard a lot about it.
That and I like what do I like? Oh my god, I'm gonna give an insane recommendation.
Chalo, tell me.
There's this show called Fleabag. I'm sure if you
I've
know,
heard of it,
like
yeah.
anybody who's watched it, they will know. It's crazy.
So you recommend
I
Fleabag?
love that. She's psychotic.
Okay.
And she's so unhinged that the thing is she breaks the fourth wall.
Okay.
So she talks to you and you feel like she's talking to you.
Mm.
Like in between, if she's supposed to like, hook up
Yeah.
with the person, like I'm gonna fuck him or something like
And
that.
then it'll be like, yeah.
yeah, it's insane. It's insane. And it's just 2 seasons. Why am I?
It's okay. It happens.
Yeah.
Sometimes
and it's
it
just
happens.
like 2 seasons and it's like easy to get done, but it will stick to you. And there's this like thing like I wanna fuck a priest. And
She says that.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
thought that was another name of a show.
Crazy. No. It's crazy. And I'm like, what is this lady talking about? It is so good. It's so good.
And then which other shows do you like?
Oh my god, I did not talk about Peaky Blinders. I am in love with Cillian Murphy. Oh my god, dude, that
How
dude
could you
is
forget?
insane. I know, right? I have a saved folder
What?
in my Instagram named
Reels,
as
okay.
Daddy. Okay, I'll tell you what. I have never had a crush on any celebrity until
Oh.
Cillian Murphy. And I was never like, I used to always find it like so silly, all this girl going crazy on Zac Efron and everything. Cillian Murphy is like the shit. In my
Zac
dream,
Efron
I
is a
met
good-looking
him. I met him and who's that other guy? Sabrina Carpenter's boyfriend.
I don't know. Who is she dating? She's dating someone.
Yeah. I think they broke up also.
I don't think she's dating
they look so
anyone.
good because they are doing a movie together. The Cillian Murphy and
Sabrina.
Sabrina's boyfriend, not Sabrina.
I don't think she's dating, as per my male knowledge goes.
She is. Do you know?
Joshua? Is that his name?
Joshua?
Joshua Bassett?
Yes, I guess. He has
Round
like pretty
number.
blue eyes. Looks very similar to Cillian Murphy.
Barry
Barry, yes.
I have
Oh
no
my
idea who
God,
this Barry
that
is.
dude is so pretty.
Let me check him out. He looks a little weird.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, man.
No, the thing is, when you see him and Cillian Murphy like side by
Yeah,
side.
they do look similar.
No, wait. They're so good.
They look similar.
Yeah,
But yeah, I mean,
they're too pretty.
what was I thinking? Fuck. Why am I out of my thoughts like this? I feel it's infectious with the way you've suddenly
What?
you zone out, so even I'm zoning out today.
I do zone out.
Yeah.
Were you gonna bring in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to play some card games?
Yeah, I
Yeah?
would.
You
I
would?
love that. Crazy.
Okay, so I'll basically tell you these card games. You've actually spoken a lot about yourself, your relationship. Some of these card games have some of these questions.
Okay.
And it'll be like quick. You just
Okay.
got to be like quick-witted
Huh.
and give me your answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, chalo. We've got a mix of a few card games that my muse have sent over.
Okay.
Okay? These
Okay.
card games are just, I want you to answer it off the top of your head without thinking. ठीक है
Okay.
चलेगा?
Shit, I'm scared.
It's fun. Okay, chal.
Okay.
First question is, whom do you stalk the most on social media?
Myself.
Come on. How many exes numbers are still on your phone?
1.
Which 5 people would you put on your celebrity cheat sheet?
Cillian Murphy.
Mhm.
Barry. That's it.
Only 2.
Nobody
And we
else
spoke
deserves
about
it.
both these guys right now.
Yes. Nobody else deserves it.
Come on.
I've never had a celebrity crush until then. Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Have you ever had your heart broken?
Yeah. Multiple times.
What are your thoughts on arranged marriage?
Hate it.
Hate it?
Yeah.
Do you believe in soulmates?
Yes.
Share your worst date story.
I think I did.
Which one? With him?
Yeah.
Come on, man, poor boy.
Worst date, which way?
Worst date, worst
Date?
date. Like you've been on a date and it was so bad. Like,
I don't know. I dated all the people who I've been on a date.
so none of the stories were bad?
No. The relationship ended up sour, so yeah.
ठीक है.
So the entire relationship was a bad date maybe.
Whoa.
That's a very good answer. Then, what are 3 deal breakers for you
In what?
in a relationship?
Should be there shouldn't be a thing called privacy. Matlab I get it, but like nothing that I should know. If I'm with your friends and suddenly one of your friend mentions a chick, a lady, I should know about it, because if like guys, they generally
Yeah.
do tease each other, but like that. And
3. So 1 is no privacy. Like no secrets.
no secrets.
I think that's a better word to put across.
I think the
Yeah.
second one also comes in the same thing.
Okay.
No secrets, mein.
Okay.
Okay. The person should be, he should be soft spoken, and I love effort.
But
Like-
that's not a deal. I'm saying a
It's a
deal
deal.
breaker.
Matlab?
Like if they don't match this criteria, it's like what the fuck.
Red flags.
Red flags.
Red
Chal. Tell me 3 red flags. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Obviously, should be loyal.
Okay.
They should listen to my recommendations,
Okay.
and they should know how to behave in front of people. Sometimes men just say the wackiest shit and like in
Just
front
to
of
get a
people.
laugh. Yeah. Fair enough. What is your perfect date night?
Perfect date night. I think staying in,
Hmm.
just doing some like random ass skincare shit and having a bottle of wine and watching Pretty Woman.
Now this next set of card games, they're called the anti-date cards.
Okay.
So chalo, let's play this.
Okay.
Next one is this is not. These might be slightly thoda. You might have to think. But chalo, what is the top item on your bucket list?
Skydiving.
Oh wow! If you could have
love
any
to dive.
job in the world, what would you do?
I would start a bakery.
Bakery.
Yeah.
Okay. Which is an embarrassing cartoon character you had a crush on?
Doraemon. Because of his pocket. He can fit anything in there.
Come. Something non-sexual that turns you on.
Should be chivalrous.
Now the next question, the next segment is this or that. Like,
Okay.
what would you rather?
Okay.
One is kiss a stranger or kiss an ex.
Kiss a stranger.
Tattoo of your ex's name or a piercing on your tongue.
Oh my god. Ah. Ew. Hurts. Ex's.
You know,
tattoo.
ex's tongue. What? Oh, you'd rather get your ex's name tattooed.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I can always get it off. Like
Covered.
lasered.
But your tongue also, you can remove the piercing.
Yeah, but it'll forever be a hole in my tongue, no?
No, it-
Can I tell you something?
Haan.
There was my best friend's, one of my friend's boyfriend had a piercing here. So and I was like, in school tabhi. So I was checking ki, like if you take out the piercing and have water, will it come out? So he showed it to me. It actually comes out.
That's so funny. Okay, chalo. Next question. Friend zone or ghosting?
Friend zone.
Be a famous villain or be an unknown superhero?
Famous villain.
Oh.
Date your faraway cousin or date a murderer?
Date a murderer.
Mom set up your dating profile or ex set up your dating profile?
My mom.
Okay. An impromptu weekend getaway or a planned vacation?
Planned vacation.
Public proposal or private proposal?
Propose privately, post it publicly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then give up sex or give up showering?
Share.
Okay. Lights on or lights off?
Dimmed lights.
Oh, in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, wear wet socks or sleep in a damp bed?
Damp bed.
You wouldn't wear wet socks?
No.
Come on, bro. Get catfished by someone or get scammed by money for someone?
Scammed for money. Yeah.
Last one is
Okay.
submissive or dominant?
Dominant.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
With this, we come to an end of our card game section.
Okay.
Now, there are a few gifts that my muse has sent us,
Yeah.
which I want you to actually.
I'm excited for this.
I don't know. Let me.
I'm excited for this.
Yeah, you're excited for this.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna show you some products,
Okay.
and you're gonna tell me what you think they'll be named.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me just pull them out,
Sure.
and all you're gonna do is look at them and give like your first thought.
Okay.
Look at it and be like, oh, this is what it should be called. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go from bottom to top.
Okay.
First product that we have is this.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think this guy should be called?
Called.
Yeah, what do you think it would be called, or what would you name it?
I think it does look like a toothbrush.
Yeah, this is an electric toothbrush
Yeah.
that we have with us.
Yeah.
So toothbrush is actually called Groove.
Okay.
I think it's because of the grooves that it has over here,
Okay.
which is quite cool, you know. Come
Yeah.
on. Someone said that it looks like Squidward.
You know what it looks like?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a very slimmed version of a bowling pin who's on Ozempic.
Hey,
That is actually very fucking.
Yeah.
And that's why his neck is also
funny.
like kind of bent, and he's just like, what the fuck is
Yeah.
going on? Look at this. Okay, so this is a slim down bowling pin.
Yeah.
Slim down bowling pin is called Groove,
Okay.
for those who want to know. Okay, chalo. Next is
toothy.
this packaging is actually pretty cool because I've opened all of
I
them.
like
so
the
that-
color.
Yeah, the dabba is pretty cool. Okay, what do you think this is called?
Oh my god. It looks like a clutcher. A hair clip. A hair clip.
Yeah, like
ऐसे ही
this.
दिखता है ना?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't have that much hair to like clip my hair, but yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
This
Clippy.
does.
Huh?
What would you name it?
Yeah, name it something. Like, what would you name your hair clip?
Kiki or something.
Kiki. Okay, Kiki the hair clip is actually
Not
called.
meant for a Kiki, but okay.
It's not meant for a Kiki, it's meant for a Kaka. But Kiki the hair clip is actually called Beat. This is for men.
I of course.
You put two and two together. Yeah,
Which means-
you're smart.
Yeah.
You're smart that way. But those who could not tell,
Huh.
it's meant for men.
Yeah.
It comes in like a nice box. Okay, let's keep these two aside. Next.
I'm scared.
This is actually my favorite one. I don't mean it that way, guys. I mean it like
I love how you're being real with the
with
products
yeah,
that-
yeah. No, I'll tell you why, because okay. Tell me what do you think this is?
Okay, I know it because it does look like the car keys.
Keychain.
Yeah.
Oh, like a car key.
Yeah, like you like.
The remote control
Yeah.
car.
Yeah. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It is.
Yeah?
That's what it is.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's call it that.
So this is the what should we call it? Car key.
Yeah, car key.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna tell you because I'm pretty sure like I'm not never be able to name my baby.
Why?
So indecisive. I can't even name them.
I like how you're thinking of babies when you're seeing this.
You put two and two together.
Car key is called loop, and loop is actually meant for both.
Oh.
So this actually is like a car key. It's used to drive both. That was such a bad joke.
Drive
Sorry.
both crazy.
Yeah. But those who are interested in seeing how it works, I'm not going to demonstrate anything. But yeah, loop was the last product that we saw. This.
You know what I know what it looks like. This looks मेरे घर का super used soap of bar. Bar of soap.
Bar of soap.
Soap of bar.
Soup of bar.
Oh my god, why is it like this? It does feel like an unused.
Soap.
Yeah. Doesn't it? It looks like really. It's like,
Yeah. So this, so the bar of soap, it does look like a used bar of soap, you know, when its life is about to come.
Yeah, I know, right?
You
It's
know,
gonna
just
break it and it's just like so squishy if you
Yeah.
touch it.
It's called palm. So the bar of soap that we have right here is called palm because it fits in your palm.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah. And we have one last product
Achha.
that I will ask you about.
Okay.
which you gotta tell me, what would you call it? This is actually the coolest product
Okay.
that I have seen.
Okay.
No offense to the other products.
I never had to use any of these.
Yeah, I mean. Okay, chalo. It comes in some fancy ass packaging, bro. Like,
Oh, I love the packaging. I'm not even kidding. This.
packaging is pretty cool.
Yeah. Crazy.
Okay, now this comes in like 2 parts.
Okay.
Okay? What would you call this?
Okay.
What do you think it should be called? It looks like a shark whose tail.
It reminds me of Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. Yeah. Does something similar to what a Pac-Man does.
Yeah. Eat the other ones out.
This actually does that. Pac-Man. Pac-Man is called Link.
Really?
Yeah, so Pac-Man is called Link because it's remote controlled.
Oh.
So how we play Pac-Man with a remote? This is a remote to play Pac-Man, and that's Pac-Man doing his job.
Oh my god.
It's actually pretty cool. I love the packaging, bro, on this one. Shout out My Muse for the packaging
That is like
one.
dangerous if somebody else has that remote.
I mean, depends on what y'all are doing.
Huh, dude, if you're like,
Depends on-
imagine if you're like out for like a dinner or something in a restaurant and then your thing just like goes into some child ka hand, the remote, and he's just like showing it to his
Why
parents.
is it with a child ka hand, your remote?
I don't know, yaar. If you like drop it or something and
That's why you gotta be careful. Like, if you guys, anyone who buys Link,
yeah,
please make sure the remote is only in safe hands.
yeah,
It's like, you don't want someone else getting that remote because otherwise you're
fucked. True.
quite literally.
Quite literally fucked.
Okay, but with this, thank you so much for doing this, Shubhra. My Muse has sent you a gift
They have?
for being such a nice sport. Thank you.
Oh my god.
I will give you your gift. Just let me clear this up first while I pack off, like, one of the salesmen when they're packing up the shoes after showing you all of them. I'll just
Nothing
pack
I
it
liked.
off
I'm
and-
leaving the store, okay?
Okay. I'll give you the gift. No, so anyway, you're leaving with something. That's called being smart.
That's called being an influencer.
Yeah. For being an influencer, thank you so much
Oh my god, can
for
I
doing
open
this. You can.
Or I'll open it later. It's
Yeah,
fine.
open it. Open it now only. It's fine.
I
Are
don't
open,
want people to
open.
know what I got it on.
Shubhra, we have one last segment.
Okay.
Since you said, you like keeping your life private, I'm also a tarot reader. And I can tell, like,
Yeah.
what your next 3 months.
Really?
3 months, matlab, yeah, end of this year tak.
Wait, are you fucking with me or what?
No, I'm seriously a tarot reader.
Really? I don't
Yeah.
believe you.
Why does no one believe me? Do I look like, look at this, look at
I was
me.
saying that looks so hippie.
Yeah, the whole point of this, it's like it's giving me the energy to read your cards, right?
Sure.
I'm serious.
Do it.
Okay, so I'm going to pull out my tarot cards.
Okay.
You got to get prepared. Get in that zone.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get into tarot mode.
Yeah, let's get into tarot mode.
Let's go. Can I whisper the whole time?
Yeah, you can. Let's get into tarot mode. Okay, you can whisper. I'll
Shit,
talk.
are you for
like,
real?
Yeah, for real.
Oh my god.
Why do you think we turned off the lights and all? Now,
I thought because I mentioned that I like it dim.
not right now.
Okay.
We're serious. Calm. Dim means we switch off 2 more, which we don't do.
Sure.
Now, you gotta do is pick one card and keep it down. Okay? I'm gonna shuffle the cards again.
Okay.
And you gotta like think of what you want, manifest it.
Okay.
Think about what your answers. What answers are you looking for? Go for it. Next card.
Okay.
We're gonna do this one more time, okay?
Okay.
And now my cards are gonna tell you exactly what you need in life.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
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 Now, which card do you want me to read first? This is not looking good for
It's
you.
never looking good. But you're never mind.
So this card, it's called the Booth. And if you look at the Booth carefully,
Okay.
it means your ex is about to come back.
Really? Oh my god. I'm not even kidding.
So it says the Booth of your love's past is gonna make a return.
actually want to be a ghost after I die and haunt my exes.
That is different, but right now one of your exes is going to come to haunt you.
I love that.
Next, which card? Wow, I love this. I think Neil is not going to like this segment. Because this card is called the Lover's card, which means you're about to meet the love of your life.
Shit.
Your ex is coming back, but you're about to meet the love of your life.
Oh, I'm in a situationship.
And now your last card.
Okay. I hope it is all false.
The last card you don't want being false because it's called the Paisa card. A lot of money is coming.
I know that. A lot of invoices to raise.
Exactly. So my Paisa card is right.
Okay. Yes, it is.
So these two cards also should be right. Let's hope this card is not right. Let's hope the booth is not right. This was a lot of fun, Shubhra.
Thank you for the drama.
Thank you so much for doing this. I hope your ex doesn't make a return.
I hope they do. I will give the drama back.
Thank you so much, Shubhra. This was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Let's hope that
very.
your exes,
They don't come back. If
They
they, do,
don't
I
come
will.
back.
I will
If
probably
they
come back
do-
on this podcast again.
if they do, you gotta text me and tell me it's happened.
done.
Because my
Then-
cards never lie. If my card says break up, then break up. My cards say X return, X return. My cards say money. See, this card though is really true for you. You know it. You have invoices pending.
Are you fucking with me?
So,
Okay, ठीक है. I will take your word for it.
yeah.
ठीक है, it's life.
Yeah,
it will
that's
do me
life.
or I will do the life.
Yes. Let's hope you're doing life.
Okay.
And I will see you soon. Thank
You
you so
too.
much.
Thank you. Bye.